Today was the end of the Shifts Happen to conference, and I just want to see, upon reflection, what is my biggest takeaway from this conference? The Judgment card. I feel this is really a really good card to see in terms of being called, following your calling, maybe a change of direction. I think many people who are here this weekend and who participated in some of the workshops definitely have a calling or want to help other people, want to use astrology, want astrology to talk through you to be able to help other people. For me, this is definitely a big change, something I want to pursue. I've always loved astrology. I've loved tarot. I've loved the Reiki. I've loved everything in the esoteric field, and I feel that I'm really called to helping people. So for me, this is the wake-up call. I am being called as well towards all of this and to make a difference.